nothing is fitting. Because this kid is great. They don't know how to bend brackets.
So let's see here.
They bend it at an angle for some reason. I don't know why. Because this sits down flat, and they bend it at an angle, which it doesn't need to be. So now it's going to need to go like this. It doesn't fit.
Like every time we think, we're like, you know what, it's not that bad. You know, we got through it. It's not that bad. Something else happens. Like this. How can you not get a bracket right?
Yeah, it should be pretty easy. I like why these came unpainted, so that you could just modify them first and then paint them. Kind of.
You're doing great. You're doing great.
Yeah, there's no way I'm gonna just let it on this bracket. Are you kidding me?
Well, there, and then with sways in the wind. That's pretty good.
Yeah, that's the opposite way you'd want it to be. Oh yeah, that's plenty.
We'll tighten everything. Let's see what it does.
It'll just.
There's
go
no
like this.
way they recommend running one bracket like this.
Yeah, man. It should be good.
All right, let's start her up.
Should be good.
I don't think that's the.
Yeah. So we're making another bracket. I'm also gonna. I might weld these together since I have to repaint them anyway. Just weld them together would be much better.
So what are you doing?
I'm gonna do some crazy stuff right now.
Oh. So you're making, you strengthening this bracket and making another bracket, right? Yeah,
So this was the provided intercooler bracket. It didn't fit at all, and it just screwed together with a nut and bolt here. So I kind of adjusted the angle, had to cut out a piece here for fitment, and then I welded it together, so I didn't need the nut and bolt. That's what they provided. And they only provided one side, that was the left side. So for the right side, I made this guy, just stainless rod and then just mild steel plate. This mounts to the horn mount and then the intercooler. So now it's pretty solid.